Dear students, welcome to Bhavana's Math Heaven, and this is yours Ram Narayana. Today we are discussing one more important problem from median. If the median of data is given there and two unknown frequencies are given to you, you have to find their values. This is the concept involved in this problem. Median of the data is already given there. That is 28.5. Median of the data is 28.5, and the total number of observations is also given there. Total number of observations are 60, and two columns, classes column and frequencies column, are given to you. So by using this information, you have to find the values of x and y. So once again, the method of median, you have to create a new column, that is less than cumulative frequency column. Now go on writing the less than cumulative frequencies. First frequency is 5 plus x, that is 5 plus x, because two are dissimilar terms, unlike terms, they cannot be added. So write there some asterisk. 5 plus x plus 20, two constants are there, 5 plus 20, 25 plus x, 25 plus x plus 15, 25 plus 15, it is 40 plus x. Again add this y, 40 plus x plus y. Then come to the next frequency, 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. So after completion of LCFs, now add all frequencies, you get the same value, that is 45 plus x plus y, adding all the frequencies. Now use the information that is given to you. Median of the data is given as 28.5. Generally median lies in the median class. So 28.5 lies in between 20 and 30. So median class is 20 to 30. Now check the classes type of classes. They are exclusive type. So in exclusive type classes, lower limit should be taken as lower boundary. So lower boundary is 20. And coming to CF, cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. Here the median class is 20 to 30. This is the median class. And its preceding class is 10 to 20. Its cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. And coming to the frequency of median class, that is 20. And next, the size of the class. Check the successive lower limits, they are increasing by 10. So size of the class is 10. So after obtaining all these values, and write the formula for median. So median formula, m equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF into h by f. Total number of observations is also given to you, that is 60. So whenever n equals to 60 is given there, n by 2, that is 60 by 2 equals to 30. This n by 2 value 30 is to be substituted in this formula. So now median value 28.5, that is given in the problem. And lower boundary is 20, n by 2 value is 30. And coming to CF, cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. You have to subtract this cumulative frequency from n by 2 value. Whenever to subtract a binomial, this is very very important point. Whenever you want to subtract a binomial, change the sign of each and every term in that binomial. So n by 2 value is 30. To subtract 5 plus x, it becomes 30 minus 5 minus x. 30 minus 5 minus x into h value. Class size is 10 and frequency is 20. Here 0 gets cancelled. Next transpose plus 22 this side, 28.5 minus 20, that is 8.5, equal to 25 minus x by 2. Next transpose by 2 to this side, it becomes into 2. 8.5 into 2, it becomes 17. 17 equals to 25 minus x. So transpose minus x to this side, it becomes plus x. And 17 to that side becomes minus 17. 25 minus 17 is 8. So x value is 8. So one unknown value is obtained here, that is 8. Now we have to find the other value, other unknown, y value. So for this, so take n value from the table, that is 45 plus x plus y. But given n value is 60, isn't it? Total number of observations, n value is given as 60. So equate these two values, 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. Substitute x value so obtained, that is 8. 45 plus 8 plus y equals to 60. 45 plus 8 is 53. So transpose plus 53 to that side, it becomes 60 minus 53. So y value is 7. So this is the way to find x and y values. This is very important problem. Okay, got it? Thank you.